Hello guys, this is a tutorial that we're gonna use Translate in the UE4. So first we're gonna log into our AWS console. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. And now in this page we're gonna go to the IAM. So here is the user. So I'm gonna add a user. The username, whatever you want. I will just say test translate. And here is access type, and I will click the programmatic access and the AWS management console access. Alright, and next we go the permission. So I'll say here is the attach existing policy directly. So you can use the administrator access, but if you want to use this user, only use translate. You can just use translate. You can use translate for access or the translate read only. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna use administrator access right now, and we go next. We don't need to give it any text, so click next. And here's the review. I check if this okay or so I will create the user. So here is your access key ID and the secret key ID. So you can I'll choose a place to store my my access key ID and my secret key ID. Alright, you're gonna save it somewhere else. So after you close this page, and you won't find out your access key ID and secret key ID anymore. Okay, now we close. Now we have a user. So we go back to the UE4. So here is the actor that I drag my actor into this level, and we go into this actor, and after the begin playing, actually I'm gonna do is to create the translate object. So here is two structure. One is credentials and the client configurations. For the AWS credential, you're gonna do is to put your access key ID and secret key ID. So I just saved my access key ID and secret key ID here. So I'll just copy. Alright, and now we need the client configuration. So I would recommend you to change the region, change this region as same as your web console, the region that you choose in your web console. Alright, and here the return value. So what I'm gonna do is to put out, and here's a node called the translate test. Alright, and here's a request we're gonna do. So the test, for example, I'm gonna use test. I will say hello, and we can find out in the translate here. So for example, this source language and transfer to the another language. So my source code language hello is English. So we can find the English. The code is gonna be the en. So I will put en in the source language code. So the target language code. So for example, the target language code I will say Chinese. So the code for the this target language is going to be the ZH. So I will put the H after the target language code. Alright, and the thing you need to do is to you have to print the error message if the result goes unsuccess. So for the result, here is the translated test. So I'm gonna put a string. I'm gonna put string to return the result of the translated test. I'll make the duration longer, for example 10. Alright, and I plug my actor into the level, so I will click play. Or you translate it to Chinese. Alright. And so I will try another target language. For example, I will choose I'll choose French. This is what FR. The language code is FR. So I will change the target language code to FR. And now I'm gonna click play. Resume. Yeah, alright. So maybe I can change my source language code. For example, I will use Chinese, and this can be the source language code can be ZH. Alright, and I will put the test. So my target language code is gonna be the so I will choose what? I will choose Japanese, GA. So this target language code is gonna be GA. Alright, so I'm gonna click play. So